In 2023, there were some important space missions, like NASA's OSIRIS-REx bringing back a sample from an asteroid and India's Chandrayaan-3 exploring the lunar South Pole. Now, looking ahead to 2024, there are 6 space missions that have caught my attention as a planetary scientist. Europa Clipper. NASA is sending the Europa Clipper to Jupiter's moon, Europa. Europa is a bit smaller than our moon and has an icy surface concealing a possible saltwater ocean. Scientists want to see if Europa's ocean could support extraterrestrial life. The spacecraft will study Europa's icy shell, geology, and subsurface ocean during nearly 50 flybys. The launch is scheduled for October 10, 2024, using a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket, with arrival at Jupiter in 2030. Artemis 2 launch. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon, including the first woman and person of color. Artemis 2 is a crewed mission, with 4 astronauts, orbiting the moon for 10 days. It builds on Artemis I, which sent an uncrewed capsule to orbit the moon in 2022. Launch is planned for November 2024, but it might be delayed to 2025 if necessary equipment isn't ready. Viper. The Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover, VIPER, is a golf cart-sized robot exploring the moon's south pole. It will search for volatile molecules like water and carbon dioxide, potentially useful for future human moon exploration. Viper's launch is scheduled for November 2024, relying on batteries and special equipment to withstand extreme lunar conditions. Lunar Trailblazer and Prime 1 missions. NASA's Simplex program includes low-cost missions like Lunar Trailblazer, focusing on water detection from lunar orbit. It will be a secondary payload, launched when the primary payload is ready. Prime 1 is another mission, testing the drill Viper will use, with a launch dependent on earlier mission's timing. JAXA's MMX mission. The Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency's JAXA, Martian Moon Exploration (MMX) mission is set to launch in September 2024. It aims to study Mars' moons, Phobos and Deimos, to understand their origin, potentially landing on Phobos to collect a sample. ESA's Hera mission. The European Space Agency's Hera mission follows up on NASA's DART mission to the Didymos-Dimorphos asteroid system. DART tested a technique called kinetic impact, by colliding with an asteroid, changing its orbit. Hera launches in October 2024 and will study the physical properties of these asteroids. Exciting times are ahead in 2024 for space exploration.